Using full volume mode in HeartWorks 3D echocardiography. From 2D imaging, the user can enter the 3D imaging mode by selecting the 3D echo button on the control console. The display changes to show the heart model panel with the boundaries of the 3D volume displayed over it. The user retains control of the probe, and the boundaries of the 3D volume change as the probe is moved. In the 3D echo window, the two orthogonal 2D imaging planes from which the 3D volume is derived are displayed. In the usual way, depth, sector width, focus and gain can be altered in each of the 2D windows. These windows can be selected by clicking over the image. The change in the desired volume is reflected in the frame rate displayed in the 3D echo window, as well as in the boundary box of the 3D volume in the heart model window. Once the basic settings have been made, the 3D volume can be displayed by selecting the Display 3D Volume button in the control console. The displayed 3D echo volume can be manipulated on the screen using the computer mouse or trackpad in the usual way. The selected volume can be refined by changing, for example, depth and sector width in the 2D imaging windows. Prior to acquisition of the dataset, the user has the option of multi-beat capture with a range of number of beats available. Stitching artifact is obvious both in the 3D and in the 2D imaging planes. Selection of the Breathing Off button at the top right of the screen will reduce stitching artifact